If your brain feels like an alarm bell, you're experiencing stress. When stress occurs, your brain sends emergency signals to your body, alerting it to prepare for action. This is an automatic response that has evolved over millions of years to help us survive in the wild. The hypothalamus activates the autonomic nervous system, which controls involuntary bodily functions. This system has two main parts: the sympathetic and parasympathetic responses. The sympathetic response is what kicks in during stressful situations. Your heart rate increases, muscles tighten, and breathing becomes rapid, all in response to these signals. This is your body gearing up to either fight the threat or flee from it. This prepares you for immediate action, often referred to as the fight or flight response. It's a survival mechanism that has been crucial for our ancestors. The adrenal glands release two key hormones, adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones play a significant role in how your body handles stress. Adrenaline increases your heart rate and energy supply, while cortisol enhances your brain's use of glucose, providing a quick energy boost. This combination ensures you have the strength and focus needed in a crisis. These hormones are crucial for survival in dangerous situations. They help you react swiftly and effectively. Your senses sharpen, digestion slows, and non-essential systems are put on hold, optimizing your body for escaping danger. This is why you might feel a knot in your stomach or a dry mouth when stressed. However, our bodies haven't evolved to distinguish between physical threats and modern psychological stressors. Whether it's a predator or a looming deadline, your body reacts the same way, treating both as threats. This can lead to chronic stress if not managed properly. Modern stress triggers the same physiological response, causing your body to react as if you're in immediate danger, even in the absence of real physical danger. This constant state of alert can be exhausting and draining. Prolonged stress results in sustained levels of cortisol. Over time, this can have detrimental effects on your health. This can disrupt sleep, weaken the immune system, and impair concentration, making daily tasks more challenging. It can also affect your mood and overall well-being. Long-term exposure to cortisol can also lead to chronic inflammation, memory issues, and increased risk of heart disease. It's important to find ways to manage stress effectively. Fortunately, practices like deep breathing, regular exercise, and adequate sleep can help reduce stress levels significantly. These activities help activate the parasympathetic response, which calms the body. Simple activities such as walking in nature, socializing with friends, and spending time outdoors can deactivate the stress response and promote relaxation. Simple activities such as walking in nature, socializing with friends, and spending time outdoors can deactivate the stress response and promote relaxation. Stress isn't inherently harmful. The key lies in effective management. By understanding how stress works, you can take steps to control it. Next time you feel overwhelmed, remember it's just your body trying to prepare yourself for a battle, even though it's probably unnecessary. Take a moment to breathe and try to relax. If stress becomes overwhelming, consider consulting a doctor or seeking therapy for professional guidance. If you found this helpful, check out our other videos on how your brain and body work, as well as other fascinating science topics.